How to create a radial design like this in Affinity Photo, PC or Mac. Go to File and New. I'm creating a document 1500 by 1500 and transparent background. Click Create. Go to the Tools panel and select the Rectangle tool. With that, go up here, Fill, set it to red, green, etc. and Apply. Make it just slightly bigger than the document. Just drag all the way down the bottom. You need to rasterize this layer. Go to Layer and Rasterize. Click there and now it's a pixel layer. Go to the Brushes panel. You can find that in View menu, Studio and Brushes. Right side menu and down to New Brush from Selection. It needs to be a pixel layer. Click. Delete the layer. Then go to the Brushes panel and double click the entry you just created. And you can see now you've got your brush there. You can modify the hue jitter in the Dynamics tab. Dynamics tab, hue jitter, and increase that to 100%. Go to the General tab and change the spacing. Put it at 1%. That's the lowest it can go. Click Close. Go to the Paintbrush tool in the Tools panel. Select that and hold down the Shift and drag across from left to right. And straight away you get this very colourful design. Now it's random, so your colours may be completely different from this. With the layer selected, go up to Filters, down to Distort, and then down to Rectangular to Polar. Click there and now you've got your design. Nice super colourful radial zoom design. Of course you can also modify it using filters such as blurs and others. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you very much.